coming in. While hearing a suo motu case initiated against former DMK Minister Ponmudy, the Madras High Court observed that these days politicians feel that sky is the limit under Article 19 of the Constitution. Now, as far as the hearing is concerned, it was in connection with Ponamudi's derogatory remarks against Vaishnavism, Shaivism and women. And this is what the court has said, and I quote, "There are crores of people living in this country. Everyone picking up the mic must understand it. Everyone is picking up the mic and saying so many things as if they are the king, as if none can do anything against the king. The court cannot just watch and tolerate all this." That's exactly what the court said. Advocate General Raman, who was appearing for the state, informed the High Court that the complaints against Ponamuri have been closed. We have Dharni joining us in the broadcast with more details. Scathing remarks by the Madras High Court. Dharni.
Well, while hearing a petition against former DMK Minister Ponmudy, the Madras High Court has made some very serious remarks. The court has told that there are crores of people living in this country, and everyone who is picking up a mic should understand this. They cannot say whatever they want to say. They have to respect and understand the sentiments of other people. The court will not just tolerate all these derogatory remarks, is what the Madras High Court has told. So remember, this case is in connection with the derogatory remarks made by Mr. Ponmudy against Shaivism, Vaishnavism and also women. Mr. Ponmudy made these vulgar remarks a few months back, which ultimately led to him losing his ministerial post. Since these remarks became very viral and the DMK was facing flack from several quarters in Tamil Nadu, Mr. Ponmudy was forced to resign from his ministerial post. In fact, DMK's own MP, women MP, Ponamuri had condemned Mr. Ponmudy for his derogatory remarks, and now the Madras High Court has also told that the court will not tolerate these kinds of remarks from any individual. There are crores of people living in this country, and while one is picking up a mic to talk, they must remember that they shouldn't hurt the sentiments of the rest of the country, the rest of the population, is what the Madras High Court has told. The Advocate General, appearing for the state in this case, Mr. Raman, he informed the Madras High Court today that the police complaints against Mr. Ponmudy have been closed after preliminary inquiry. So this is what triggered these serious observations by the Madras High Court. The Madras High Court expressed dissatisfaction towards the manner in which these complaints were closed by the police department without proper inquiry. The court has told that if any of these complainants come forward and tell that they were not served with a notice before closing their particular complaint, then the court will come down heavily on the police authorities, is what the court has went out to say. So definitely this doesn't look good on Ponmudy's side. The court has time and again warned Mr. Ponmudy against regarding derogatory remarks, and the court has told that anybody who is occupying a public an MLA, minister or an MP, they should be mindful of the language they use, and they have to make sure that their speeches and their statements doesn't hurt the sentiments of the common citizens of this country.
In fact, earlier as well, Dharni, the Madras High Court had made some strong remarks against Mr. Ponamudi and said that people who occupy public posts should be mindful about their language.
Yes, of course, this is not the first time the court is hearing this particular petition. In fact, this is a suo motu petition taken up by the Madras High Court. The court came forward by itself and took this case on suo motu basis for hearing. And Justice Velmurugan of the Madras High Court has now made these strong this, as I told, is in connection with the derogatory remarks made by former DMK Minister Ponmudy. He took the names of Shaivism, Vaishnavism and also women. Like he spoke in a very vulgar manner about women. While bringing in...
Absolutely, but the Madras High Court has made it clear that this is not going to be tolerated. Such comments will not be tolerated and that Neta should refrain from such remarks. Dharni, thank you very much for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. Lot more lined up on the other side.